Hello everyone, I am Rana. Today we are solving a CTF called Packet Palette from TJCTF 2025. First, download and open this challenge.pcap file. Let's scroll a bit and we can see the packet data. As we can see, there is a PNG header. Let's scroll more. And there is the PNG footer. But we can't extract everything directly because there's extra junk data before and after of the PNG. Each payload starts with 12-byte USB header. Some packets include garbage data like ready and device etc. So we need to filter and clean the data properly. Let's write a Python script to do that. Here's the script. I'm giving you a brief overview what this script is doing. First, it's load all the packet from the pcap file and filter the port and skip the 12-byte USBI header and start when it's found a PNG header and stop it when it reaches the END footer. And finally, writes the clean image to the output.png file. Let's run this script. We get a output.png file. Open it. And here's our file. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.